Let's take a look at your customer's journey and how easy it is for them to order from you digitally, direct to their table with minimal staff contact using table ordering powered by Flipdish. Your customer can simply use the camera on their smartphone to scan a QR code that you have placed on their table. A pop-up or drop-down on their screen will then direct them straight to your online menu in a flash, whether it be on your mobile site or on your own native iOS and Android app that we have provided you with. Customers can order in just a few clicks and as many times as they want without needing to call any of your staff over. Our handy Chef's Notes section will allow customers to even leave personalised comments on how they would like their food prepared or provide any allergen information, meaning nothing is missed. The orders are then received into your Flipdish terminal or through an integration into your existing point of sale system. Then it's business as usual, and once the order is prepared, your staff can deliver it straight to the table or to a designated pickup point. Table ordering can even be used in hotels for room service or curbside pickup and parking bays, and even at airport gate drop-off.